Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Today we're working on a 2001 Honda Odyssey. This van kept on blowing the fuel fuse. So the fuse for the fuel pump kept on blowing. It was a real pain. Had to have this thing towed twice, and I'll show you what it is. I've read on the forums about other people having problems with, not necessarily a Honda Odyssey, but Civics and I think some Integras. Typically 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a short. The fuse was popping as soon as I turned the ignition on. It would just pop the fuse, so there was a short to ground. This fuse also distributes power to your fuel injectors and your idle air control valve, your IACV, and it also powers the OBD II connector, which is right up here. So that fuse actually powers those 3 things. This 15 amp fuse that kept on blowing, let me see if I can get it's under the dash, so here's the steering wheel. Come down, 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 down. And right under here, right there, the very top one, 15 amp fuse, right here, there's the label for it. You can see fuel pump SRS 7.5. So this number 1 15 amp fuel pump would blow. The very top one on the top there, the blue one, would just pop as soon as the key was turned on. The fuel pump relay, the main relay, was actually switched out twice, and that should be placed up there for to hold it in place. So there's the fuel pump relay, your main relay as well. So let me show you exactly what it was that was popping this fuse. I actually disconnected the fuel injectors. I disconnected the idle air control valve. But this is what it ended up being, and I bet it's a common problem on probably a lot of these Odysseys. This covers from 99 to 2004, this specific model, but I'm sure on 05 and later, I'm sure you probably have the same setup. So under here, this is how you access the fuel pump. You actually have to take off the covers that the seats get plugged into. So the seat actually gets clicked into here, and these covers go into the slots here. So you have to remove all those covers, pull the carpet back. You have to actually remove this. There's a plastic kick panel right here. So you sew that up. And then right back here is the access to your fuel pump. 4 screws. Right under there is your fuel pump. And right here, these are the wires that actually go to the fuel pump. And right here, there was a short. Okay, so you see that bare metal spot right there? That is where it was grounding out. So every time the key turned on, you had power running through the wire, shorted right to the metal part of the body of the van, and would pop the fuse. It was no fun. Like I said, it was towed a couple times. Let me pull that electrical tape off, and I'll show you exactly what it was. So I have the tape off, the electrical tape. That was just a temporary fix. Don't leave it like that. I'm actually going to cut this bad section out, splice in a butt connector, and do it correctly. And then I'm going to use some plastic wiring loom, like this right here, that'll actually go over the wiring and keep everything secure and away from metal. Hope you guys can see this, but right there, right above my finger, it's a little charred, and you can see maybe a little bit of copper right there. That's where it was grounding out. So after years and years of the cover, so this kick panel right here, this kick plate, sits on top of here, and after years and years of it just squishing down onto this wiring right here, it finally cut through the wire and caused a short to ground, blowing that 15 amp fuse. So if you turn on the ignition on your car and it keeps popping the fuel fuse, go ahead, check your wiring. And if you're working on a Honda Odyssey van, check it right here as well, because that's probably a common failure point for these vans. That little messed up section right there. So next thing I'll do, splice in a butt connector, put the carpet back, put all the paneling back, or the little, I don't know what you call them, kick panels for the carpet and the seats. Put the seats back and get everything rocking and rolling again. So you can follow me on Twitter at Bundys Garage. Questions, comments, concerns, you can email me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. Like always, I try to answer back all comments left on my YouTube channel. If you have found any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump.